Family commitment is one of the 10 emotional needs na I will be there physically for my family.
I will be there when you take your first step, your graduation.
Na heartbroken ka, nandiyan ka para yakapin ako, hindi mo rin maibibigay yan by just saying, uuwi lang ako every August, 1 month.
May nakita akong comment, sabi niya, lalo na yung mga anak. That is so true. Kahit yung mag-asawa, sige, kaya nyo tiisin. Pero, pagdating sa mga anak, although they might not say it right away, paglaki nila, meron talagang epekto.
Ilang books ang binasa namin ni Maricar at tinuro ng mga married mentor sa amin na quality time is equal to quantity time. Na kailangan ng anak growing up. Especially age 0 to 13. Yun yung pinaka-formative years. Honesty and openness. If your boyfriend can be honest, tanongin mo siya kung naging sexually faithful siya. Later, makikita nyo sa horror stories, yung mga lalaki may tinatago. At nafe-feel ng girl, may tinatago to sa akin.
It's very hard to be honest and open. Pag pa-Skype ka lang,
Oo
ang dami
naman.
mong pwedeng itago. Halimbawa, nakipag-flirt ka. Parang, ay, hindi ko na lang ikikwento kasi baka mag-away pa kami. Mas kasama mo physically yung taong ka-flirt mo. Eventually, over time, nahuhulog siya dun sa mas nakakasama niya.
When you have LDR, you have money, pero wala kang sex, affection, family commitment, honesty, and openness. That will kill your relationship. This is RM, Relationship Matters.
Your online ninong and ninang saying, wag
Pera-pera lang ang pagkuha ng ninong at nina.